Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magdinilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. My dear brothers and sisters, we begin a new liturgical calendar in our church with the first Sunday of Advent. Isang maligayang bagong taon sa inyong lahat. The word Advent comes from the Latin word adventus, which means coming. It refers to the first or 4-week preparation for the birth of Christ, His coming into our hearts, and the second coming of Christ. So, on this first Sunday, the church invites us to wake up and look deeper. Christ is coming. Sa unang pagbasa, ipinapakita ni Propeta Isaias ang isang magandang pangako. Sabi niya, "Come, let us climb the Lord's mountain, to the house of God of Jacob, that He may instruct us in His ways, and we may walk in His paths." Isa itong pangako na maglalakad tayo sa liwanag at kapayapaan, walang digmaan, paghihiganti, at pagkakawatak-watak. St. Paul, in our second reading, it exhorts us to wake up. Now is a time to put on the Lord. Now is the Kairos, God's time. He instructs us that we can only put on the Lord by throwing off the works of darkness. Ibig sabihin, ngayon ay ang tamang panahon upang magsisi sa ating mga kasalanan at magbagong buhay. The Gospel reminds us to stay awake always. The coming of the Lord is unknown to all, but we can anticipate His coming in hope. By bringing us back to the days of Noah, the Lord is not frightening us about His coming, but He reminds us the value of it. Pinaghahanda natin hindi po ba ang mga mahalagang pagdiriwang sa buhay natin at ng mga minamahal natin sa buhay? Pinaghahandaan natin ito sapagkat mahalaga sila, minamahal natin at inaalagaan natin sila. Ganito rin ang paghahanda natin sa pagdarating ng Diyos. Naghahanda tayo sapagkat darating na ang isang nagmamahal sa atin ng sobra-sobra. My dear friends, let us stay awake always. The Lord is coming. And it's fitting that we put the Lord once again at the center of our lives. Muli, isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.